grade 9 second axiom. What is the second axiom really? Previously also I mentioned you that I told you that here is a very important segment of maths. Knowing this second axiom also will be helpful for you to do sums found in this lesson. Really, what's the second axiom? Just to think of this one, 6 equals to 6. Okay, 6 equals to 6. Just you think of a certain digit. What I'm doing here, that it has given that 6 equals to 6. I'm doing that, I'm adding that 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2. To both sides I added plus 2. Yes, I'm doing this. To both sides I added plus 2. Now think of the answer that we could get right now. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So previously we, that we had to be given that 6 equals 6. Okay. Previously we had been given that equal quantities, equal values or equal quantities. Okay. Equal quantities had been given previously. 6 equals to 6. Okay. So what did we do here? When it comes to this stage, when it comes to this step, what I've done here, it has added the same digit to both sides. Okay, so here previously the value, equal value 6 equals 6. Eventually taken values also equals, not the first value. Okay, so when you add equal values to both sides, but previously given values also were equal. Here 6 equals 6, added values also equals, then eventually taken values also should be equals, but the taken value is not equal to the previous value, which means here 8 equals to 8, here 6 equals to 6. The basic idea, the basic thing that you need to know here you added 2, here also you added 2. Okay, so the taken answer is equals, 8 equals to 8. Just to think of this one, which means quantities that are taken, adding equal quantities to equal quantities. Quantities that you are getting, adding equal quantities to equal quantities are equal, which means just to think of angle ABC equals to the angle PQR. Angle, it has given that, right? This is data. Angle ABC equals to the angle PQR. What you are doing here right now, then, just to think of angle ABC equals to 40. Right? Angle PQR equals to 40. Otherwise, this segment is not familiar to you unless you can get this. Just to imagine that angle ABC equals to 40 degrees, angle PQR equals to angle 40 degrees. Just to think of this one, right? It has given that. On the other hand, it has given that 40 equals to 40, right? So ABC equals to PQR, angle ABC equals to angle PQR. What I'm doing here right now, I'm going to add another angle here to these two sides, XYZ, angle XYZ equals to the angle, it is added another one, PQR angle plus XYZ angle. What I have done here, then same angle I have added to the both sides. So what is the value that we are getting right now? This angle and this angle. The sum of these two angles, just to imagine that the value of XYZ equals to 20 degrees. Then what we need to do here, just to imagine, then 40 degrees plus 20 degrees. Then here also 40 degrees plus 20 degrees. Then taken answers, equals. The most important thing that you need to know here, you don't know these values, right? So because of that reason, we can't just instantly, we are unable to realize this. Instantly, you can't understand these things. But anyway, you can get the idea here. So angle ABC equals to the angle ABC. The reason here you need to write here that second axiom, right? This is second axiom. Here, the second axiom, axiom 2. So, therefore, angle ABC plus XYZ angle equals to the angle PQR angle plus XYZ. Think of this one. Angle XY, XL, LXY equals to angle PQR. This is given or data. I'll write the data. This is data. Okay, data. Every time in this lesson, you need to write the reason, right? Here, then what I'm doing here, to both sides, it is added the same value. So, this is angle ABC added to the both sides. To this side as well. I mean, an equal value, equal angle is added to the both sides. So, the answer which is taken is equal. This is, you need to write in the brackets that axiom 2. Now let's do a question here. This type of one also can be taken that AB equals to XY. AB equals to XY. So what I'm doing here, this is data, right? Data. I'm adding same values to both sides. So to this side, KC. To this side as well, KC. In the brackets mention that axiom 2. Axiom 2. Let's do a question. This is a question. It has given this line that here AB CD. It has given that AC equals to DB. I mean, this could be AC equals to 5 cm. Then DB also 5 cm. If it is right, we generally it does not give these values, right? It gives these relations. AC equals to DB. AC equals to DB. Data. AC equals to DB. Data. What you need to do here, the question is if AC equals to dB, if AC equals to dB, show that, you need to show that, right? Show that show that AB equals to CB. AB equals to CB. Right? You need to show this one. You need to show that. It has given that AC equals to DB. This means if this is 10, it's this one also 10. Right? I will write here that 5 cm. This one also 5. Then no need of writing these values, right? So if CD equals to 2, then what I'm doing here that AC to both sides we are able to add CD. That's a common one. Here CD. Here also it's able to add CD. Now AC plus CD. Just to think of this one. AC plus CD. AC plus CD. Yes, what's the value of that? AC plus CD. AC plus CD. That is 5 plus 2, 7. I mean equals to 7. DB plus DC or CD. DB plus CD. I mean 5 plus 2 is 7. So both sides are equals. Don't want to mention it, right? Generally class teacher does not expect it. So these values generally we are not given. So the answer here you need to write the reason axiom 2. This is the answer. You need to show then eventually what you need to do here. So AC plus CD. What is AC plus CD equals to AC plus CD. AC plus CD means this whole segment. AC plus CD. I mean AC plus CD equals to AD. Next one, DB plus CV. I mean this whole segment, which is CV. This is the answer. This is the basic idea of the second axiom. Okay, go through this video correctly, properly, enthusiastically, easily you are able to realize this segment, this content of the second axiom. Okay, if you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, you share with your friends. Let's meet in the near future. I'll do the third axiom as well.